Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to take a screenshot with a double tap on iPhone. Please watch this video to the end. Please subscribe to the channel. Write comments. Give us a like. Let's get started. In order for us to take a double tap shot, as you can see, I'm double tapping like this. I'm taking a picture. We need to go to Settings. Open the Accessibility tab. Next, we open Touch. Here we go to the bottom. There's a back tap. Click here. Then at the top, there's this double tap setting. Click here. If you turn it off and switch it to something else, you'll need to check the box for screenshot. Then you exit. So you double tap and you take a screenshot. You double tap on the top of your phone and you take a screenshot. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes if you like the video. Thank you for watching. See you later. Goodbye.